The immune system is like our body's own superhero squad, tirelessly working to protect us from harmful invaders like bacteria and viruses. It's vital because it keeps us healthy and helps us recover when we get sick. Without it, even minor infections could become serious threats. Our first line of defense is our skin and various barriers. Think of your skin as a fortress wall. It acts as a protective barrier, preventing pathogens from entering our bodies. Other barriers, like mucus in our respiratory system, trap invaders before they can cause harm. These physical defenses are crucial in keeping us safe. When invaders do get through, our innate immunity kicks in. This is our body's immediate response team. It includes cells that can quickly recognize and attack pathogens. Imagine a fire alarm going off. It alerts the firefighters to respond right away. Similarly, innate immunity acts fast, sending out white blood cells to the site of infection to neutralize threats. Then we have adaptive immunity, which is like a specialized task force. This part of our immune system learns from previous encounters with pathogens. When we get sick, our body produces antibodies, tiny proteins that specifically target those invaders. Once the battle is won, memory cells remain in our system, ready to spring into action if the same invader tries to attack again. It's like having a library of blueprints for every enemy we've faced. White blood cells are the detectives of our immune system. They patrol our body searching for anything that doesn't belong. When they detect an invader, they spring into action, engulfing and destroying it. This process is crucial for clearing infections and keeping us healthy. Let's look at some common infections. When you catch a cold, your immune system ramps up production of white blood cells and antibodies. You might experience symptoms like a runny nose or fever, which are signs that your body is fighting back. Similarly, when you get a cut, your immune system works to prevent infection, sending cells to heal the wound and fend off bacteria. Vaccines play a vital role in training our immune system. They introduce a harmless piece of the virus or bacteria, teaching our body how to recognize and fight it without causing illness. It's like a practice drill for our immune system, preparing it for a real encounter. However, there are many myths about immunity. Some believe that taking vitamin C alone can prevent colds, but while it can support your immune system, it's not a magic bullet. Others think that if you get sick, your immune system is weak, but that's not true. Getting sick is a sign that your immune system is working hard to protect you. To support a healthy immune system, focus on a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables, stay hydrated, exercise regularly, and get enough sleep. Stress management is also key, as chronic stress can weaken our immune response. By understanding how our immune system works and taking steps to support it, we can help our bodies stay strong and ready to fight off diseases.